Hello friends, I welcome you all in today's video. Today I am going to explain you about AlineMC.com website reviews, and in this video I will tell you whether this website is legit or a scam. Friends, this website does not belong to us, and if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer to this question, that is, should I buy from this site or not? Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end, as I will share a way to get your money back at the end of this video. AlineMC.com provides you with cookware sets, utensils and various other garage items. Here you can see picture regarding them, and as you can see, all the items provided here are nicely designed. Talking about their price, you can see their pricing is attractive as they are available at discounts. Now coming to the payment methods, you can see you can use Visa, MasterCard, JCB, American Express and PayPal for payment. Now let us check the shipping information for this website. So here it is given that they generally ship your product between 3 to 5 business days. So this was about shipping. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website to be a scam or legit one. Talking about the website's HTTPS connection, we came to know that this website shows a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing. Coming to the website's age, we came to know that this website was created 6 days ago and therefore it is still too new to be trusted. Now let us check the About Us page. And here on this page you will see that they are providing you with limited information, and you will see grammatical errors here. Also, you will not find important details regarding owner's name. So this is disappointing here. Now talking about the prices of the product, you can see their pricing is unbelievable as they are priced low. Now coming to the payment options, guys, these payment options provided here are not accessible and therefore it is a suspicious sign. Now let us check the contact detail for this website. So here on this page you will see that they are providing you with an email address and office address. So talking about the email address, you will find the domain name does not match to the email given here, so it is again a suspicious sign here. Also, the address given here for the company is not real one and therefore that is a scam sign here. Now talking about the social media presence, guys, we could not find this website on any of the social media platform. Coming to the return and refund policy, let us check the return policy page. So here you can read about the return policy and you will find that you can return your product between 14 days if you are not satisfied with it. Guys, if you have any experience regarding the return or refund policy of this website, then do let us know it in the comment box below. Coming to the customer reviews, we came to know that this website does not exhibit any customer reviews as it was created recently. Now coming to the website's content quality, guys, you could see that the website provides you content with grammatical errors and limited information. So overall content quality for this website is not very good. So giving a final verdict, I won't recommend this website to you as many scam signs were found on this site, including lack of customer reviews, grammatical errors and missing important information. I hope this video was helpful for you. Guys, do comment your reviews about today's video in the comment box below. And if you want to get your money back wasted on scam websites, then check the links given in the description area. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.